Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to turn black and white mode on iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To turn on black and white mode on your iPhone, you can use the grayscale feature available and the accessibility settings. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, tap on the settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on the accessibility. Tap on display and text size. Tap on color filters. Then toggle the color filters. Switch to the on position. Then choose grayscale from the options. By following these steps, you can easily enable and disable black and white mode on your iPhone, making it more convenient to switch between color and grayscale as needed. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.